What's the duck say? Go quack, quack, quack.
Look. Wait a minute, what happened? The turkeys are in with the peacocks? That's new. Hi. What are you doing in here, turkeys?
There they go.
Oh my goodness. Caroline made an imitation sound. That's great.
They're gonna make a perky.
A perky?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at there's all different kinds of birds, Caroline.
Turkeys, peacocks.
These are turkey. That's a peacock or a peafowl. Yeah. These are turkey. Can you make a noise like a turkey? What's a turkey sound like? Go ahead. That is what they sound like, isn't it? That's a peacock. A peacock has blue. These are turkeys. This is a turkey and that's a turkey. That's a peacock over there in blue. And that's white over there. That's a peahen. Or no, that's just a white peafowl, I guess. These are peahens in brown. I can't see what their neck looks like, though. Actually, that might be a peacock, too. Oh, no, that's a peahen. The peacocks are boys. Okay, Mommy's doesn't know what I'm saying. Okay, let's go see. Let's go see. Let's go walk over this pretty area. Let's say goodbye over here.
Goodbye to the bird.
Pretty. Bye, peacocks. Let's go see the ducks.